Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to talk about something called an algorithm. Algorithm. Can you say that for me? Algorithm. Algorithm. Good. An algorithm is a way that we can tell somebody how to do something, like instructions. It's also a way that we can tell robots how to do things, or tell a computer how to think. We're going to have a little look at some examples just now. First of all, we're going to need to know two words. One is step. Step is usually what you do with your feet. You take a step. When we're talking about algorithms and problem solving, a step is one of the things we need to do in order. If you remember, we did putting pictures in order before. Which one comes first, which one comes second, and which one comes third, and so on. So a step is one of those bits that we need to do. Flowchart. Flowchart. A flowchart is a set of symbols that shows steps to do or solve something. So in flowcharts, there are some shapes or symbols that we use to show what we need to do. So the top one here, which is like a rectangle, but with semicircles on the end, kind of a long oval, that means that's the start of our flowchart. A rectangle is processing or steps of work. So that's anything we need to do in a job. The diamond is a decision, so a question that we can answer to see what we do next. The flow lines here, they're just arrows that show us where to go, and a connector if we need to bring something back around. Gan's and Jing's homework is to show steps to do housework. After they talked about it, they chose to show an algorithm for washing dishes. So they're going to write down how you wash the dishes. Here are 3 ways to show it. We need to tell the steps to do some housework. Which bit of housework should we choose? So one way we can show how to do something is just to write down the things you have to do. Very straightforward. So first we have to get the dishes. Next we have to wipe off the leftover food on the dishes. Next, wash the dishes with dishwashing soap. Next, we rinse the dishes with clean water. And 5, we dry the dishes. So that's one way we can write out the things we have to do. But it might not be very clear what we have to do. Another way is to use a flow chart. This is our flow chart. We start at the top. The first thing we have to do in the rectangle is get the dishes. Next, wipe off leftover food. Pass through the connector. Wash them with dishwashing soap. We've got our first question. Are they clean? If the answer is no, we follow the arrow back to the connector and we do wash them with soap again. Are they clean? If it's no, we have to wash them with soap again. Are they clean? No. Wash them with dishwashing soap. Are they clean? No. Wash them with dishwashing soap. Are they clean? So this is like a robot. It does exactly what the algorithm, the flowchart, says again and again and again. Anyway, last time, are the dishes clean? No. Wash them with soap. Are they clean? Finally, they are clean, and we say yes. Rinse them with clean water. Okay, rinse them with clean water, then we dry the dishes and. Okay, so the reason this is really good is we can ask a question in here. So if the dish is not clean, we don't go straight to the next step. We go back and we wash it again. Here's another way we can show the algorithm or instructions for how to wash the dishes. First, we get the dishes, then we put all the dirty food in the bin, then we clean the dish with soap, rinse it with water, and we put it to dry. So, this is the easiest way to understand because we just have to look at pictures. And this is a way lots of things are made to show us what to do because it's so easy to understand. Okay, we'll do some examples of those ourselves next week. This week, I would like you to go to page 49 and to try and solve the code. So, this set of instructions, this algorithm, is showing us that on one side we've got square, circle, triangle, and star, and they mean something different on the other side. So a square means orange, a circle means apple, a triangle means a banana, and a star equals grapes. What's your favorite piece of fruit here? In question 1, or in option 1, we have square, square, star. Which one of these is the same as square, square, star? Well, let's use our code here. Square means orange. So that means orange, orange, and star equals grapes. So orange, orange, grapes. Can we see orange, orange, grapes here? Oh, there we are. So we draw a line connecting these two because square equals orange, square equals orange, and star equals grapes. It's not very good grapes, is it? Okay, guys, have fun with this puzzle, and I'll see you next time.